Okay. I just wanted to talk to you because there are two reasons. One is I really appreciate you the way you are helping. Because, yes, when I watched your video, I realized that you are helping people. You are working on your skills as well as you are helping people. That one thing inspired me. And second thing really connects me that you are not waiting for perfect time. We people always wait for perfect time, perfect opportunity. We always pressurize ourselves that we must be perfect on this thing, then we will start that. So I really appreciate that thing which inspired me. And so and actually I feel nervous when I talk to strangers. You can consider this as weaknesses. So I wanted to work on my weaknesses. That's why I thought let's start it from Anand. So because when we talk to strangers, we feel nervous, we feel that fear, but because of that, we miss many opportunities in our life. So I thought no, start that. So that is the thing. So these are the two reasons. That's why I wanted
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you very much for your appreciation and definitely your kind word, motivate me and it make me realize that I should go ahead.
Yes,
So
definitely.
yeah, so yeah, sometimes your voice is breaking. I don't know what is the problem.
Oh,
Sometimes, yeah,
okay, okay. I will
but
take care of it.
I got you. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Um, so how did you find me? Where did you
Yes,
find me?
yes, yes. Actually, I was looking for Cambly conversation because I wanted to start Cambly conversation with Cambly tutors. And that time I was just watching videos and I watched your video and I thought, look at this guy because he is not thinking about perfection. He is just speaking confidently. He is asking so many questions. So why I'm waiting for perfect time, perfect opportunities? So that things really connected me. I subscribed your channel quickly. I watched your almost 8 to 9 videos that day and I realized that yes, this is the good time to start. Because I love teaching, I take online classes, but I always think for perfect time when I wanted to start my YouTube channel for English. So I thought yes, so no, I should not wait for that time, I should start it now.
Okay,
And
thank you very
yes,
much. Yeah, go on. Go ahead.
yes, yes. So I got your Skype ID on the description and your email ID as well. Yes,
Thank you very much. So I think, yeah, it is very complex to type my Skype ID. So how did you find me on a Skype? I think it
yes.
was difficult.
No, it was difficult, but if you have wish, you will find a way. This is what I believe. It's productive, and you must because you have given the opportunity to everyone. Anybody wants to speak, then they can speak. So I think it's good opportunity. I didn't find any difficulty while typing your Skype ID. I was just thinking, ki, how I'm going to talk to him, what questions I should ask him, or I don't know what will be that conversation, but I thought, let's face it. Let's start it now, like this.
Yeah, I have told in many of my videos that one should not wait for get perfect. Okay,
Yes,
and I think, yeah, perfection comes when you work over something. Okay, and
yes,
at once if you want to be perfect, okay, you will never be perfect, and as well as you will waste your time to
yes,
just thinking about perfection. So yeah, it is a main point I always mention in my video that nobody has to be perfect right now. They will be perfect in future. Okay, right now it is time to start, it is time to take initiative. Yeah.
yes. And you can see that there are many people who always encourage, who always see positive side of those things, who really want to appreciate. They will definitely going to appreciate it. We don't wait for that people will going to criticize us or people will judge you. We think a lot. I believe that people think a lot and they don't start. So I believe that we should not think a lot. We should stop overthinking and we just start working on that fears, whatever it be.
So always it has been a problem with people that they think the person's opinion, and I never care about it. Okay, because
Yes,
because I understand one thing very clearly that speaking English depends on circumstances. Okay,
yes,
somebody is living in I think in higher class family, if they are access to the environment where lots of people speak English, they can easily pick up English. Okay, but on the
yes,
other hand, the people who are living in middle class family, they have no
yes,
environment to speak English. They cannot connect with their friends or family in English. Then they will have lots of trouble to learning. Even they will learn meaning, word meaning, but making sentence and getting accent will be very difficult. In my case also, because I have never been in such an environment where I can find a friend or family who can speak with me.
yes.
So you will see my pronunciation and accent is very bad yet.
Yes, but I like the way you are encouraging people, and you are the example of people who are really afraid to speak, or who are afraid for public speaking. What happened in my class? There are many students who are who are from English medium, but they
Mhm.
think I can't speak English. They always think, "Ma'am, I can't speak English." So I always tell them it's not. And there are people who are from Marathi medium, so they are thinking that we are medium. So I think this is only mindset. If you want to if you want to speak English, you must practice every day. This is the only best way to speak English. You must practice every day, no matter which background you are from, no matter where are you from. But you can start now. You can practice now, and after 5 months, after 5 months, 6 months, you will be better. You will find better speaker in you. This is just this that is my experience.
Of course, you are absolutely right. So, which standard do you teach?
Actually, I teach them how to build the sentences, and the second thing, how to start speaking, because people know grammar, people know vocabulary, but they're afraid to speak. They want someone who can guide them properly, who can encourage them, who will not laugh at their mistakes. So
Of course.
I work as a coach, and I tell them, don't afraid for mistakes, just start speaking. Don't think that I'm going to judge you, I'm going to correct your mistakes. I'm here to help you, I'm here to encourage you. Just start speaking, and after 1 month you can see there are a lot of changes in that. They feel better. So I think that it helps me, because when you help others, you will feel better. Because of you, they are getting better in their life.
Of
So
course, just giving is the taking, okay, and I believe in
yes,
it.
yes,
Uh,
yes.
so, I am asking you, do you have your personal coaching center or do you teach in any school or an institute?
Yes, actually, I love teaching, so I have started online coaching. So I teach them online with the help of Zoom. I take offline classes as well. So because it was my dream. I wanted to start my own academy, because I have realized that I love teaching. This is what I enjoy in my life. So
Yeah.
uh, I started working on that, and I got good feedback as well. So I'm just taking online classes, and I just wanted to build my own academy. I just wanted to start English speaking, public speaking, everything which I have. I want to help people with that, because they deserve good life. They deserve, can fulfill their dreams if they start. They
Mhm.
have to start. So this is my concept.
Of course, and you are doing a great work, okay? I can
Thank
understand it because I am also a teacher and I have my own academy.
Great. So what do you teach? Basically, what do you teach them?
If I talk, you wouldn't believe, okay? But I teach lots of subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English grammar too, up to class
Great,
10th student. Yeah.
great. That's great. Along with that, you are building your YouTube channel, you are talking to Cambly teacher, you are helping people. So I can understand there are lots of things going in your life. So really hats off you. I
Yeah,
really
of
appreciate you.
course. Thank you very much. Everybody has lots of capacity, and as well as I'm helping my father in his business. Okay, he has a garment shop, so whenever I have to bring, I have to deal everything. Okay, because my father just live on shop. Otherwise, whatever I have to purchase it for my shop, I will go for it. Okay, so it is also my own responsibility. So I am, yeah, responsible guy anyway.
Yes, definitely. So you are managing your business, you are taking care of your own academy, you are helping people. Wonderful, wonderful. It's really inspiring and it's great. We can learn many things from you. Definitely, definitely. So what is
Yeah,
your
thank you
vision?
very much.
Great, great.
Yeah, go on.
You deserve it.
Hmm.
Yes,
Just my vision. I have no long vision, really. I'm
yes.
talking about my vision. Just I want to live this moment, okay? And I want to just expand myself fully in this moment. I don't want to waste it, and I want to do best of myself. That's
That's
a
really
vision,
great.
okay? But yeah, in long-term vision, I don't want to be a very big name fame man, but one thing that I wanted to be, I should have good food, I should have a good house to live and good clothes to wear. That's sufficient.
Yes. And
Mhm.
it's yes, yes, yes. Totally agree with you. And it's really good because yes, you are very clear on your vision. And yes, we all have this dream that yes, we should have that those enough things which really required in our life. So yes,
Mm.
definitely I agree with you. Yes, yes, yes. This is what even I believe the same thing. All we want is we want peaceful life, peaceful, happy life. That's it. No matter
Of
how much
course.
you earn, after all, you want to live peaceful life.
Mhm.
So even I believe in the same thing. Yes, you want to live a peaceful, fulfilled life.
Yeah,
Yes,
fulfilled life. I mean,
yes.
sometimes I think just I am a guest here for 60 years, so there
Okay.
is 60, 70 years. I don't know. Maybe I can depart before it. So there is no means to, collect lots of things and giving after. My way is not to collect these things by giving the pain to someone. Okay. Just I want to live my life the way that I do not want to disturb anybody, and anybody else should not disturb me. That's my way of
Yes, that's really great.
living.
Really great thing. That's really great thing. This is what our Bhagavad Gita tells us. Matlab, I read Bhagavad Gita. This is Bhagavad Gita tells us you should always believe in karma. You just do good karma and leave it everything. Everything will happen in a proper way, in a right way. That's really good. Do you want to ask me any other question?
But I can see one thing very Ara, that you would be a good teacher, and because I see your face and it is very bright. Hello, can you hear me?
An- Anand, your voice was breaking. Could you please repeat?
Yeah, I told you. Yes, I can. One thing I can understand from your gesture and posture and aura, that you are a good teacher and you will be teaching your students very well.
Oh, thank
You
you
got
so much, Anand. Thank you.
me?
It really means a lot.